morning, dear children. Open your EVS textbooks. In our last class, we have started second lesson, honey, sweet honey. Okay. Now we will continue to that lesson again. What I told in that lesson, here some friends group, they were gone to the fair, village fair. They are eating some sweets, and suddenly some sweets fell down. Then after some time, some ants came there, group of ants. They came there and gathered around the piece of sweet meat to eat. They are shown in here our book. Next one, some friends, Fatima told, look Radha, there are how many ants? They gathered around the piece of sweet meat. Yes, Radha said yes, they are very untidily carrying their food. Tejas said next on the second page number 10, here some cats and kittens, they are looking to their kittens, how she is doing to their children, kittens. Next, Radha said, animals also live together like a human being, don't they? Yes, all animals and their babies of animals, means dog and puppies, sheep and lambs, cow, calf, all these are the animals and their babies of animals. They take care of very well, like say you and your mother, how she take care of you if you fall sick, how much she takes care. She teaches a very good lessons, how to do, how care, how to speak, how to talk, how to walk, how to learn. All the activities your mother teaches you. Yes, in the same way the animals also teaches to her babies animal. How they are teaching? So they are shown here. Cat is also looking to their kittens. Next one. Here, Tejas said my father told me that once time Tejas and his father they been to a Nagarhola forest. The name of there were one forest and the name of that forest is a Nagarhola forest. Then that time he heard of the deer and elephants also in group. Deer and elephants they were in a group, but tiger is only one, never in a group. So grouping animals they are shown here. Some birds are flying, they are also in group. Deers are in group. Elephants are they are in group. So page number, turn your book, page number 11. Open your textbook, children, page number 11. Fatima said, look at the dogs fighting for a piece of bread. Why that dog were fighting? Dog fighting for a piece of bread. One bread piece were fallen down and they are fighting for that piece of bread. Next one, Radha told, look at the sky. The birds are flying together. How they are shown here in the sky. I have already teach this, but I am repeating again. Birds are flying in the sky. Next one. They just said, Radha, look at the tree. The monkey is sitting on a branch. Here, how monkey is seated on a branch? Are you seeing? Are you watching in the picture? Yes. The baby monkey is holding on the belly of its mother. Baby monkey is holded very firmly to her mother. So that's why the baby monkey can't fall down. Next one, on page 12, here Radha's telling, look there Tejas, the hen is teaching its chicks how to search for a food. What hen is teaches to their chicks? How to search for a food. Hen teaches to her chicks how to search for a food. Observe the behavior of animals around you as these children have done. Next one, here is a story of honey bees. Our lesson name is Honey Sweet Honey. So it started the story from here now. Fatima said, look at the honey bee sucking nectar from a flower. What is the food of honey bee? Anyone? Yes, honey bee's food is it's sucking a nectar from a flower. Here they are shown here. Nectar means it's a sweet juice from a flower. Nectar means what? It's a it's a sweet juice from a flower. Here one flower is here. If suppose a rose flower, in that there is a rose, shoe flower, all the different types of flowers. In the middle part of the flower, it's sucking a nectar from that flower, sucking a juice from the flower. Turn page number 23. Here Radha is asking, come let's talk to the honeybee. That honeybee is here, honeybee is sucking a nectar from the flower. So their friends, they want to talk to the honeybee. They want to get some information from honeybee. How it's live, where is its hive, different types of, what is its food, what they are doing, how they make their hive, different questions. That Radha and Tejas, Fatima, they have the different questions, and so they have to talk to a honeybee. They came to let's talk to the honeybee. Then they just said, honeybee, honeybee, where is your hive? Where honeybee lives, children? Where honeybee lives? Honeybee lives in a hive. It's called a hive. You are living in your house. Yes. Dog lives in a kennel. So dwellings of their animals, such type of the different birds. Weaver bird lives in a nest. The same way, honeybee lives in a hive. They are shown in a picture. There is one big tree, and on that tree there are the hive. They make say two hives here. See carefully on your textbook on page number 13. Next, honeybee said, look there, my hive is in that tree. Honeybee is told, look there, my hive is in that tree. They just said, we see only the bees there. Have you seen hive, children? If you see, you can observe to the hive. Visit again at any hive. Then you will get. If there is a hive and outside of that hive there are many honeybees are there. Many thousands of hundreds of honeybees are there. So honeybee said, that is my family. Honeybee said, these all bees are there and all these are my family. Fatima said, what you have such big family? It's a really big family. You are living with your family with 4, 5 members, 10 members. It's like a small family, large family, joint family, such type of different families. The honeybee is also living with their big family. Honeybee said, yes, there are thousands of bees in a family. There is one queen bee and the rest are workers bee. How many bees are living in a one hive? Thousands of bees. How many bees? Thousands of bees are living together in their family. There is only one queen bee. One queen bee is there and remaining 999 are the workers bee. What they are doing, worker bees work is what? The worker bees do the work such as building the hive, collecting food, looking after the queen bee, etc. What the worker bees work is building a hive. Next one, collecting food, means they want to find out some nectar from the flowers is their food. Then looking after the queen bee, and after that they have to complete their works. And next one, queen bee, what she wants, they are looking to the queen bee. The work of the queen bee is only laying eggs. The work of the queen bee is only laying eggs. Radha said, oh, then next one, Tejas, your hive looks very beautiful. Hive, Tejas likes their hive. He is telling it's very beautiful. Honeybee said, we produce a sticky material called a wax. What honeybee produce? Honeybee produces sticky material. It's called wax. And we build the hive with wax. They are build their hive by using a wax. And they produce their sticky material. It's called a wax. And by using that wax, they build their hive. We build it on the branches and hollows of trees, terrace of the big building, etc. They are not making their hive on a small plant. They are making their hives on a big branches of the trees and terrace of the big buildings. Next, on page 14, Fatima said, your food is the nectar of the flowers, isn't it? What Fatima said, your food is nectar from the flowers. Nectar means it's a sweet juice of flower. Honeybee said, yes, we store the nectar in the hive and eat it when we need food. It is the honey. What's their food? Is the nectar from the flower. And honeybee said, yes, we store that food. They are not going daily every day for searching their food. They are storing their food in a hive and they are eating when they want. And it's a honey. We are called it's a honey. Tejas said, yes, I too like honey. Are you eating children's honey? Do you like honey? Yes, it's very helpful. You have to eat it daily. Tejas also likes say honey very much. My grandmother told me that it is a medicinal qualities. Honey has a medicinal qualities. Honeybee said, true. Do you know that all the honey you eat, it's not pure. People mix jaggery or sugar syrup to honey and sell it. There are different types of honey we are getting in a market. Some people are mixing in a jaggery or sugar syrup in it. That is not a pure honey. If you want pure honey, you have to go to hive. Find out there and you will get a pure honey. Fatima said, then how do we find out whatever the pure honey or not? Then honeybee said, do this. Here some small activity, do it for yourself. Take a glass of tumbler, put some water in it, add 2 or 3 drops of honey into take 1 glass of water, 2-3 drops of honey dropped into the glass, mix it with water. Before it's let it down, it's not pure honey. If it is let it down and mix with the water slowly, then it's a pure honey. If you take 1 glass of water, add 2-3 drops of honey. If the all honey gets let it down to the bottom of the glass, then it's not a pure honey. And if that honey mixed with the water, then you have to call it's a pure honey. Next one. Now, do you know which is the pure honey? Tejas said, oh. Honeybee said, oh, it's a getting late. I have to collect the nectar. I have to leave you children. Honey be getting late for collecting a nectar. So she said to the children's bye and she is going to search a nectar. Radha said, all right, honeybee, let's meet again. Radha also told to the honeybee, all right honeybee, we will meet again. Fatima said, do you know I have seen small bees. They built a hive in the space between the stones. Small hive, small honeybees, they are making their hive on a building space between a stones. There are, turn page number 15, observe the pictures, the size of the bees and the types of the hive are not same. Observe the different types of bees and hives around you. They are given here some different types of hives. Observe this, there are some big types of hives, some very small. In between stones they are making here some small hive. Next one, Tejas said, I have seen the rearing of the bees and collection of honey near a Nagarhola forest. Tejas seen in a Nagarhola forest there are the different types of boxes. In that boxes they are making here hives of the honeybees. Fatima said, wooden honey boxes are kept in garden. People get honey and collected in. Tejas said, yes, I have seen such boxes in my uncle's garden also. Radha said, a lot of honey is used at a home. I like honey very much. Radha also likes honey very much. Tejas and Fatima said, we like it too. That children, Tejas, Fatima, Radha, all they likes honey very much. Radha said, my grandfather tells me that there are other products from the hive. Do you use honey at home? You have to eat daily. Honey have a medicinal qualities, so you should have to daily eat honeys. On page number 17, they are given here some different uses of hive. Hive, how they are making. Honeybee produces sticky material. It's called wax, and by using their wax, they are making their hive. And by using hive, there are the different uses of. They are giving here, by using hive we get honey. Next one, we are preparing candle by using wax, paint, ointment. Next one, powder and ink. There are the different uses of wax. By using wax we get all the products. Next one, do you know this? Honeybee collects nectar from 50 to 100 flowers in a round. If honeybee goes to find out a food, nectar, then that time they will 50 to 100 flowers. They will collect the nectar from that flowers. The only food that man eats produced by the insect is honey. Yes, honeybee is a insect, and by insect, honey is only one food. All human beings, we are eating only honey. We have completed today our honey sweet honey lesson. We will continue in our next class.